that was mine. He was my teacher. Could you
Have
fun?
He's professional.
He is a professional. Is it recording? I pressed the button. Yeah, recording. Good. Okay. So welcome back everybody to upper intermediate lesson number 6. We were looking at a couple of really important things today. Defining relative clauses and non-defining relative clauses. If you have a non-defining relative clause, it adds a piece of information that is not important, not essential. So here's the example. My next door neighbour, who has a car, is friendly. You can take out that piece of information and the sentence is still good. My next door neighbour is friendly. Whereas a defining relative clause, you need everything. The people who live across the road are friendly. You need all the information. If you take the bit of information away, who live across the road, it would be the people are friendly. Well, what people are friendly? The people who live across the road are friendly. So you need that piece of information. It's key, it's essential. The other thing we did over here was we looked at participles. These are verbs in the present or active or the past or passive, which can be used as either adjectives or adverbs. So we're going to look more deeply into that next week. The woman standing next to him is his wife. Or of course we could add a relative clause in there. We could say the woman who is standing next to him is his wife. Or of course we could say the woman, instead of who is, we could say that is, of course, yes, the woman that is standing next to him is his wife. See, I can get it right occasionally. Most houses built in the 16th century are listed buildings. Alberto, can you add the relative clause? Which? For most houses built in the century. Which were, that's right, most houses which were built in the 16th century are listed buildings. Can you use that instead?
Yes.
You can. Can you say it?
Most houses that were built in the 16th century are listed buildings.
Absolutely. Most houses that were built in the 16th century are listed buildings. Don't worry, we can't see your face, it's okay.
I am
Alberto! That's a witch up there, by the way. My drawing of a witch is irrelevant to the whole thing. We had a quick look at questions and confirmations. Here was the sentence. It's just about a change in the voice. Have a listen. If I'm asking this as a question, I'm really not sure of the answer. So, Mark doesn't like ice cream. Does he? Question, I'm not sure. But if I really know, I'm 99% sure of the answer, but I just want to check with you, because I just want to be 100% positive. Mark doesn't like ice cream. Does he? Goes down. You hear the difference in intonation between a question, which goes, and a confirmation, which goes, Okay, and then we did a little bit of pronunciation, which was really interesting because we looked again at this thing from last term, the difference between sumptuous and scrumptious. Sumptuous meaning luxurious, and scrumptious meaning
delicious.
Delicious.
Have a wonderful week. See you on Thursday. I'll see you next week.